In a recent message from Babuji Maharaj, he says that the universe is nothing but a place of eternal beginning, beginning without end. That is the real meaning of towards infinity. Once, a young man in Germany asked Babuji Maharaj, "Why do you want more and more abhyasis?" Babuji Maharaj replied with a smile, "My mind comes from infinity. Therefore, I want infinity in everything." Recently, I think a few days ago, there was one message which was very heartening, encouraging. In that message, Babuji Maharaj is very glad and speaks of the value of this method of Sahaj Marg, the benefits that accrue as we traverse this path, and he concludes by saying that a few have already reached the destination. We are no longer on a path in which nobody has reached the destination. But according to the Master himself, a few are already there. That encourages people like us enormously. It is good to feel encouraged by the achievement of other human beings who are going ahead of us. But in some ways, I feel a little sad that we are not able to accept the Master's words that it was possible. Here we have a situation in Sahaj Marg where what the Master has been saying for years and years has been proved to be possible by the achievement of a few persons from our own community. I hope you will all read the Whispers daily with great attention, because unless we read it carefully, often, again and again, the deeper layers of the meaning do not appear before us. Babuji Maharaj is nowadays referring to the Whispers as another teaching of the mission. Babuji Maharaj has said several times that Sahaj Marg teaches through its literature, through the speeches given by its great masters, and now by these messages from above. Babuji Maharaj very often said that divinity is there for those who can see it. So, it is important that we, like drawing the curtains aside to let the sunshine come in, and in the morning train ourselves through our daily practice to forget his physical form and see the divinity that comes into manifestation when we close our eyes. In the ancient philosophy of this country, this practice, meditation, is said to be similar to the tortoise, which draws limbs, senses inside itself. So, it is important during our meditation sittings that we not only close our eyes, but in some sense do not listen to what is happening in the outside world. When we forget the physical form of the Master, we perceive his divinity. So please remember that to see your own divinity, which is increasing progressively towards final divinization, our senses must be totally inside us. That is true meditation. We are a large human family. If there is a big bungalow with several bedrooms and there are people sleeping in them, we wish them to open the door in the morning and come out. Similarly, from all the countries of this world, people who are still asleep to spiritual life, we hope and pray that they will come out of their sleepy condition and join those who are enjoying the light of divinity.